Hello friends, this is a pick a card reading and the question is how's your love life, love prediction, how your partner feeling about you for the month of May, right? So let me show you the options. First option we have this blue and the second option we have this green. I hope you will see the color. So choose any one option, blue, green. So let me begin with the first option. If you choose the blue one, so let's see. So whoever choose pile number one, how your person feeling about you for the month of May. So you have the Six of Swords, you have Wheel of Fortune, you have Queen of Swords. Let me choose three cards for your overall love prediction for the month of May. Your love life for the month of May. First card we have an Eight of Cups. Your love life for the month of May. So we have the Three of Pentacles, one more card. Queen of Cups. And bottom of the deck, Empress. So your overall energy for the month of May is like you are in your power, you are staying in your power. Your overall energy is like you have the power to create your own life, right? You want to be treated like a princess, you want to be treated like an empress. So you have a lot of confidence, right? And you are also in your power and fully confident. You are like focusing more upon your self-worth. So overall theme for my viewers for the month of May, like you are your main focus is like a personal growth, whether you are just simply indulge in your manicure pedicure, whatever the treatment girls like, or men doing their own things, right? So like your total focus is like upon you, right? Your fitness, your health, whatever. Sorry for this background noise. And your overall energy of love for the month of May, you have the Eight of Cups, you have the Three of Pentacles. So these two cards representing that you are walking away from the things that is not serving you anymore in your love life. No matter you have a lot of love and emotions inside you, you are very caring, nurturing kind of energy that you do have. Excuse me. You have this lovable energy, caring kind of energy. You have a lot of love for others. You care a lot for your near and dear ones, to your loved ones, right? So you have a lot of love. You are giving the love, nurturing kind of energy to everyone, whoever important to you in your life, right? But the thing is, if you are in a mode of empress, if someone not treating you in a right way, then you take charge and you move on. If someone not give you the same worth, the amount of love you put into the connection, if another person is not returning back what you deserve, then you choose to listen your intuition and you walk away. You have enough strength, you have enough confidence that you build your life on, like you are the creator of your own life, right? So you are very much confident in your energy, you are attracting a lot of people in your life. And Three of Pentacle again representing that you are building your own destiny, means you are totally focused upon yourself. You are building something, whether it's career related or whether it's relationship related. You believe in making each and everything of your own, right? You are not a kind of a person who depend on others. Let's see how your partner feel for my beautiful pile number 1. But I want to just put one more card as a final theme, that how they will feel towards you. Final theme. So final theme that we have at the bottom of the deck is the soulmate. So you are dealing with your soulmate, or maybe this is like past memories that is lingering in their mind, but they do know in their subconscious mind that you are their soulmate. So they definitely aware about this thing, that you are their soulmate. But the thing is, their overall theme for the month is communication. They want to make things move forward. They want some sort of a communication. They want to travel with you, or this is like a forward movement, or maybe this is simply they are like throwing some sort of a arrows towards you, whether it's direct or whether it's indirect. So they definitely, if you both are going through some rough period of your life in your love connection, they want to take you on some sort of a vacation, trip, or maybe they just simply want a peaceful resolution with you, because they don't want any disturbance and conflicts anymore in this connection. Before, maybe you both are little bit arguments that you both are going through, or maybe in the starting phase you have little bit conflicts. Maybe they use some sharp words or something related to communication. They just want to be too direct about the things, right? This person do bring some sort of a clarity, or maybe they are encounter with some sort of a self realization or something about this connection, that this person is too much focused at what they want. They are very sharp, they are very straightforward that what they want, right? Their total focus is on a particular goal. They want to make things in their favor. Wheel of fortune. They want to turn something, if before there are some sort of conflicts and problems in your love relationship, this person want a peaceful resolution, because they have a self realization that this is soulmate connection. See, behind 6 of cups, 2 of cups, this person definitely want to exchange their love of cup with you. They do want a new beginning that is full of communication. They do want to communicate about a new beginning, and they are manifesting for this connection, and they are definitely waiting for the right time period. The stuckness in the past in your connection, they want to remove this whatever stuckness that you both are going through. So they are waiting for the right time, so that they have a communication with you and a new beginning, and they are manifesting this connection. They realize that you are their soulmate, and they definitely have a lot of memories that is lingering in their mind, right? So let me pick out some love messages for your partner, sorry, from your partner. So first we have desire. I can still taste you. So this person have a lot of desire related to you. They are desiring for you, right? So let me take one more message. So we have moving on. I regret letting you go. If in the past this person letting you go, so this person is like regretting. Let me take one more card for my beautiful viewers. Your partner's message for you for the month of May. Okay, so we have here 11 number, that is the union card. So for my beautiful pile number 1, journey of love. So definitely you are on some sort of a journey with this person, that is the journey of love. So they do want union, and you choose the blue color, that is also like a third eye color. So maybe you have to work, or maybe they have to work upon their sixth chakra, right? So this is something like a spiritual union, as you get the 11 number. So that is also having some sort of importance in your life. So yes, at the last we have a song time. So let's see which song you have. Strange Birds by Buddy. Yeah, this is the name. I hope you may see this song, Strange Birds. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. So okay, pile number 1, bye bye. Let's move on to pile number 2. So for my beautiful viewers, If you choose the green one, so let's begin with your reading. So let me shuffle the cards. So let's see what you have for my beautiful pile number 2. So first of all, green color is the color of heart chakra. So little bit, maybe you or your partner have to work upon your heart chakra, and that is like maybe you or your partner, one person is like not opening up their heart fully into this connection, right? So let me see how your partner feel for you for the month of May. How your person, Ace of Pentacles, how your partner feeling towards you for the month of May. Whoever choose pile number 2, how your partner feeling about you. Ace of Cup. Oh my God, you have back to back two aces. I shuffle a lot. Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Cup. Pile number 2, you are really going to have a beautiful reading. So how one more card. I'm not taking that much. Just one more card, that how your partner feel towards you for the month of May. So just one more card. Wow. So you have the King of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. See, pile number 2. Your partner is too much eager to coming towards you, right? They definitely want some sort of a new beginning that is full of love and stability. They want to become a perfect husband wife kind of a material for you. And the thing is, this person do want to rush towards you. This person have a lot of passion towards you. This person want to become a financially stable for you, and they definitely have a lot of love for you that is like overflowing. And the Ace of Pentacle again representing some sort of a serious offer. They do give you some sort of a serious offer for the month of May. You definitely, this is like a so much positive reading. So your partner is like in a lot of positive mindset, that they definitely want some sort of a new beginning with you that is full of love and stability. And the bottom of the deck, Page of Cups, they do want to tell you about these beginnings, but they are thinking about you. So they do want to talk about these things, right? So let's see your love energy of my viewers for the month of, this is like their feeling. Let's see your love energy for the month of May. Whoever choose pile number 2, so this is the matter of love, because this is like green, that is heart chakra. So definitely this is the like a main theme of pile number 2 is like love. So let's see your love energy for the month of May. Love energy for the month of May. For the month of May. Oh my God, you have three aces in your reading. Seven of Pentacle and the Ace of Swords. Again, aces. Definitely, you also want some sort of a new beginning with your partner, right? Let me take one more card. Your love energy. You are waiting for something. You are waiting for the communication. You are waiting for the right timing. See, you have bottom of the deck Nine of Swords. At the same time, Three of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles. So like you are confused, your energy is like depressing, you don't know about, maybe you also think that this is not coming towards you, right? Because you are into a negative mindset, you are thinking a lot about something, you have a lot of stress, you are not able to sleep, and you are also going through some sort of a pain, and you are confused about the things in this connection, and you are like patiently waiting, totally waiting for this person to come towards you. You want some sort of a clarity, communication, you want new beginning, but you are simply waiting for this communication, for this clarity, because you are confused. So you are expecting some sort of a clarity, you are totally confused, you are in pain, and that is the pain that you create of your own. In reality, there is nothing to fearful of, but you are continuously in a stressful mindset. Maybe you are thinking a lot or whatever. But the thing is, justice coming your way. Justice is served. Maybe if in the past this person give you the pain or third party situation, whatever. But in upcoming days, this person have some offer to give you. They have some offer to give you, right? And yes, this is like a toxic that is giving you a lot of stress, but at the same time justice is like the right things coming towards you. Whether this new offer from the same person or maybe someone new coming in your life, that is totally like a husband wife kind of a material, that is financially stable, so you are getting the love of your life, stability in your connection, no matter what confusion you have or what pain you have. If your person is not expressing their feelings, that is also like a pain for some, right? But if this is a small or big one pain, whatever confusion you have, that is make you so much stressful, right? So that you are seeking some sort of a clarity, simply you are waiting for the communication, and you are served with the justice, you are served with the new beginning. So be ready for the new beginning. Maybe when you watching this video, you don't believe that this is going to be happen, something good happen into this connection, but ultimately something good coming your way, right? So let me take some messages from your partner for the month of May. Your partner's message: emotional changes. Dive into the depths with me. So they are also depressing about the situation. They also want to tell you that they are diving deep into their emotions to realize that they want something good and happening with you. Right? Let me take more messages from your partner. Your partner's love message. I'm not getting that much messages, but I'm taking the two that is already pop out. So we have the speechless. I can't find the right words. So your partner may be not that much expressive. They do. This person is emotional, yes, but this is the person who is like not easily express their emotion, nostalgic. So this person is like a nostalgic feelings for you, I love you, right? So this person is not that much good in representing their emotions, they are not able to express their feelings. But yeah, this person have a lot of positive mindset for you and love for you. So at the last we have a song time for my pile number 2. So okay, you have the two song, Take Me to Your Heart, and the another song, let's see, I Can't Make You Love Me by Bon Era. Right? So this one the song. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.